Hi everybody. This week I am out of town for PSSA testing with the middle school students, so we will not have virtual class, but you do have a pretty easy week. Obviously, the first thing to start your week is the weekly assignment plan. Very simple. Just either use the two templates that we've provided for you, or just create your own list of all your assignments in all your classes. And that's a great way to start your week organized. And then, of course, if you do that and the one project that we have this week, you get the weekly participation points for 10 easy peasy points. The gratitude and kindness project is very simply 2 videos you're going to watch and answer 2 very simple questions and 1 essay question at the end. It's all about gratitude and kindness this week. If you need anything or have any questions, feel free to Schoology message me, please, because I will be checking my classes and messages at night, and I would be happy to help you with anything that I can. Thanks, and have a great week.